Start my speech in 3, 2, 1. In this era where AI is rapidly evolving and is efficient and very capable of doing tasks that are given by humans, a lot of workplaces have started using it to do their workload because AI is in line with companies' interests, such as benefits, productivity, less resource expense, and the best results that the company can have. Also, one of the other reasons where a company prefers using AI than humans is because human workers have their own personal interests that could hinder in companies' improvement, for example, such as corruption, data manipulation, and even mistakes that are unintentional. But the problem is because humans are getting replaced by AI to do their job, massive AI involvement in workplace are seen as regrettable and is opposed on. This is quite an urgent problem because AI technology is the future. With the constant negativity and defiance of the massive usage of it, this could actually suppress the development of workplaces and even technology itself. Our goal is to bring more benefit and a better productivity for results in workplaces. That's why our stance is to support the massive involvement of AI. Now, what would it look like on our side by using this massive involvement of AI? AI will be taking over 60% of the workload, but is still under the control of human, and where the end decision is still controlled and made by human. AI will be used for things such as managing data and interview recruitments and other smaller tasks. Coming to our argument, why is this justified? Now, firstly, let's talk about the human hindrance that I've mentioned. One of the other reasons why some workplace has decided to use AI is because of the human personal interest that can potentially and even can harm the company. For example, like I've mentioned, corruption and data manipulation and even unintentional mistakes that often happen because humans have limits and their own flaws. Of course, AI is also not perfect, but they are less likely to make unintentional mistakes and even impossible to make intentional ones that would really harm the company. With the company's interest to grow and have the best results for themselves and be more beneficial, using AI is better to do. Secondly, it's more regrettable to not utilize the best resources we have. A company would want the most profit, so of course they'd want the best to get the best they can. It's only rational to utilize the best resource they have, considering how AI is better than human in some aspects that I've already mentioned. Now, what is the impact of by using AI? Using AI massively, the company would have better productivity. For example, on the side of efficiency, compared to humans, they are a lot quicker and even almost instant when doing a task. Accuracy, though both humans and AI can make mistakes, it is less likely to happen to AI, whereas humans have tendencies to look over the details. Capabilities, humans have limits of working capabilities. They get tired, they get sick, and etc., where AI doesn't really have these limits. Less usage of resources. Companies don't have to spend as much on AI technology in comparison to humans, like for one of the examples are wages. With all that superiority, massive AI usage will result in a better productivity. Secondly, in this digital era, based on the status quo, the world is already progressive in technology. The usage of AI isn't only used in workplaces, but also widely by consumers. But the normal usage of AI creates a new standard coming from the consumers, so the workplace would also have to keep it up with it, and the only way to keep up is to implement the usage of AI, and even massively. With all the reasons above is why the massive usage of AI should not be regretted, and it should even be supported. Very proud to oppose.